This is how you do an advanced filter using from a database. So you click anywhere in your database table, preferably I would do in the column that has the dollars. And then you come up here to your data ribbon and you click advanced for the advanced filter. Now you're going to extract, you want to extract a particular description, all the data from this meeting a particular description. And we're going to copy it in a different location. So I'm going to choose copy to a different location. If you notice, it highlights the list range A1 to E15. That's because it noticed that's the information. So you can continue to add more records and it'll continue to increase this list. Now, what you need to do is create a criteria range. And a criteria range includes the field heading at the top and then the data that you want to include that equals that field heading. So for this example, we're going to pull out the child care expenses. So my criteria is using the description field equals criteria. And then where am I going to copy it to? I'm going to copy it to the range of 5 columns, okay? To copy all the data. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click OK. And notice it didn't come up because child care is one word and you have it as 2 words. So we're going to have to do that again. So let's delete this and put child care and let's run it again. So we're going to go once again, come up here to click here, go data advanced. Now we have the correct criteria in. We're going to copy to it using copy to N4 to R4, go ahead and click OK, and widen your columns, and there's your 2 child care. So you have to set up different criteria for each one of your descriptions. Now, this doesn't automatically update. So you have to run this each time you want to, you want to update the fast food and the child care every time you continue to update this. So what I recommend you do is create a macro that will run the advanced data filter and click anywhere in this, run the advanced filter, and matching this description to this output area. So that's just a quick way of doing advanced filters.